Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, I will give you a quick introduction and some of the details as well about OKVIZ.com. So now, hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will look at one of the platform that is named as OKVIZ, and we will see that how we can make any image data driven. Okay. So recently OKVIZ has introduced and launched a Synoptic Panel. Okay, and what is this is basically Synoptic Panel is a powerful visual for Power BI that can transform any SVG image into a dynamic data visualization. So you can see the live demo here. So you can convert any image into a data driven. Okay, and there are now many use cases available. So let's get started. You can also start for free. If you're using Power BI, you can go to the app source and you can use a Synoptic Panel of OKVIZ. Okay, we will also see how much license is for. You can see one of the example here. Okay, so transform any SVG image into an interactive visual directly in Power BI through easy data binding. Perfect for custom floor plans, geographical maps, and any other image that must be integrated with data. Okay, it also says load images from anywhere, designed to be multi-level, automatic hierarchy, change maps with a slicer, customize labels, color based on rules. So conditional formatting is also there. Fine tuning with data binding, search maps, right? Synoptic designer. Now let's see some of the use cases. So if you can see, this Synoptic panel has been used in real estate site plans. Another use case is progress tracking and status with Synoptic panel. Monitoring golf course conditions with Synoptic panel in Power BI. There is another interactive floor plan of hospital bed occupancy using Synoptic Panel in Power BI, analyzing injury patterns in mixed martial arts using Synoptic Panel in Power BI, visualizing seat purchasing pattern with Synoptic Panel in Power BI, right? Analyzing ticket sales at the Sphere Stadium using Synoptic Panel in Power BI. So awesome use cases are available here. Let's look 2 or 3 use cases quickly. Let me open them. Let's read this as well. And all right, let's go to the next page. So this is visualizing seat purchasing patterns with Synoptic Panel in Power BI. So this is Power BI dashboard. It will load in few seconds. Meanwhile, a complete use case is given here: proposed solution, implementation. Okay, see, the complete use case is given here. So you can see that an image has been converted into a real-time visualization through data, right? The challenges are also being mentioned here. So you can read that entire use case. Okay. Wow. Simple. Awesome, right? Another use case, analyzing injury patterns in mixed martial arts using Synoptic Panel in Power BI. So again, this is interactive, as you can see here. I can zoom as well. Okay, shoulder, you can see interactive visualization, right? So a proper use case is there: proposed solution, implementation, and then visualization in Power BI. So everything is mentioned here. Okay, so this video is just for data visualization, people who love to create something very crazy out of these business intelligence tools. Okay, let's read another interactive floor plan of hospital bed occupancy. So this is another use case. All right, so this will open here, and again, very important use case. So see, interactive dashboard, right? Synoptic panel, so you can use this. So again, the real use case is given here: case study, proposed solution, implementation, right? See, every details is being given here, so you can read it out. The website is okviz.com. They have some more visuals as well. We have discussed Synoptic Panel in this particular video. They have Smart Filter Pro, Bullet Charts, Calendar Pro, card with state sparkline candlestick. Okay. All right. So let's go to the main page. Okay. If you want to start, you can start. So many organizations are using it. We have some reviews as well. We use Synoptic Panel to visualize and manage FIFA World Cup infrastructure scheduling across multiple venues and projects. From a planning and coordination perspective, it is one of the most effective visuals on the market. See, we use Synoptic Panel to visualize the location of over 200,000 bins of fruits across multiple sites. So from an operational efficiency view, it is one of the best visuals on the market, right? So there are so many things there. You can use free. You can use Synoptic Panel for free with some limitations. Definitely a single local map, max 15 data points, no remote maps, no Power BI remote server embedded scenario. So if you are agree with these limitations, you can use it for free. You can get it from app source. Otherwise, you need to purchase a license and the fees is given here, right? But many organizations definitely will be using the paid versions because it's a proper business use case and very efficient and effective visualization. And definitely it says make any image data driven. So there's a huge demand of these kind of stuff in the various industries. Okay, so this was the purpose of this video, to share a platform where you can start about some powerful visuals and data visualizations, dynamic data visualizations in Power BI. Thank you.